Struggling to focus when working from home? Let me show you how to set up an efficient, clutter-free workspace. A cluttered, uninspiring workspace can kill your productivity. But today, I'm sharing simple steps to set up a home office that's not just functional, but a productivity powerhouse. Let's make your workspace work for you. First things first, your workspace should have the essentials. 1, a sturdy desk and a comfortable chair. These are the foundation of a productive home office. A good desk provides the space you need to spread out your work, while a comfortable chair supports your posture and reduces back pain. Invest in ergonomics. It's not just about comfort, it's about long-term health and focus. An ergonomic setup can prevent repetitive strain injuries and keep you feeling fresh throughout the day. 2, lighting. Natural light is best. Position your desk near a window to take advantage of daylight. Natural light can boost your mood and energy levels, making you more productive. If that's not an option, add a soft desk lamp to reduce eye strain. Proper lighting can prevent headaches and make it easier to focus on your tasks. 3, reliable tech. Make sure your laptop, monitors, and chargers are easily accessible. Having the right technology at your fingertips can streamline your workflow and prevent unnecessary interruptions. And don't forget a good pair of noise-cancelling headphones. These can help you stay focused by blocking out background noise, whether it's the hum of household appliances or the chatter of family members. Next up, organization. Declutter. Start with a clean slate. Remove anything you don't need for work. Add storage solutions, think desk organizers, file trays, or even wall shelves to keep your workspace neat. Make it inspiring. A minimalist design boosts focus, but a small plant or motivational quote can make your space feel personal and energizing. It's about balance, functional but not boring. Now, let's optimize your setup for productivity. Zone your desk into specific areas to maximize efficiency. Create a dedicated space for your laptop, a separate writing area for jotting down notes or brainstorming ideas, and a designated place for frequently used items like pens, notebooks, and other essentials. Everything should be within arm's reach to minimize unnecessary movement. Eliminate distractions by keeping your workspace clutter-free. Keep your phone in a drawer to avoid the temptation of constant notifications, or use a Do Not Disturb mode to maintain focus. Utilize productivity tools to streamline your tasks. Add a whiteboard or planner to track tasks and goals visually. Digital tools like Trello or Notion work great too. These platforms help you organize projects and collaborate efficiently. With these tweaks, you'll not only work smarter, you'll feel better while doing it. A well-organized workspace can significantly boost your productivity and overall well-being. There you have it, a simple, effective way to set up a home office that truly works for you. A well-organized, comfortable workspace not only boosts productivity, but also enhances your overall well-being. Remember, staying focused and motivated is key to success. Which tip are you trying first? Is it the ergonomic chair or the clutter-free desk? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your fellow remote workers who might benefit from these tips, and subscribe to our channel for more productivity hacks and home office setup ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Stay productive and take care.